The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
It is continued part by World Sports Betting. It is the time to see all those races. Mamelodi Sundowns 4, Chippa United 1 in the Betway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns are top of the South African Premiership. The Betway Premiership. It was Orlando Pirates who left a voicemail to Sundowns and said, we scored 6 the last time we played. And then Mamelodi Sundowns have covered, not all of those goals, but they've somewhat recovered some of those goals. Of course, we remember Ira Tape doing favors. But yeah, let's also accuse Chippa, that Chippa gave favors to Sundowns. Yeah, it was an interesting game, really, if you didn't watch it. Chippa United were very, very difficult for Sundowns, although they conceded 4 goals. They were incredibly difficult, and they got themselves back into the game for a long time in the game. Bob Zit, we watched the game together, sir. What did you think of the game?
Yeah, Mr. Nkeo.
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise everyone.
Just
in the studio, Mr. Nkeo.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Do you have any agreement with Puma? Are you the ambassador?
No, Mr. Nkeo. Do
they give you anything free?
Needs Mr. Nkeo.
Maruli for Totulup, I think I used to see him with Puma.
Yeah, Mr.
I'm sure he can leave you a voicemail to say, come and take some stuff.
Mr. Nkeo, angeke usithole kumele ukuthi uzame ukuthi usave kangakanani uthathe lokuncane.
You can't take food off your children's mouth to buy a kid, but some people love the game. They do that.
Injalo Mr. Nkeo, but kubalekile ukuthi abantwana bangalambi ngenxa yokuthi mhlawumbe ufuna.
Because when you have everything, like
not everything, Mr. Nkeo, not everything. Yazi njani Mr. Nkeo? Konje angisho namhlanje is 3 ne. Yazi mawuthatha le 4 minus 1 is 3. Today is 3. And uma uthatha tomorrow is 4. Sundowns ishaye 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Sunday ngiyabirthday kuyoba ku 5 saka April. So Sundowns for me na
happy birthday in advance.
No, iyenza izinto zibe right. And ukhumbule ukuthi le team yesonto Mr. Nkeo ba busy emabandleni eMoria ku busy today. So I team yesonto so nala makhalazo uyabona ukuthi amakhalazo wesonto la. So congratulations man kuMamelodi Sundowns Mr. Nkeo.
So mangabe sifuna thina ileague ingawinwa iSundowns kuzomela siyoguqa kuntatele Khanyana ukuthi ngicela ubanike break. Please give them a break for 1 year.
Yazimele wenzeni Mr. Nkeo uma ufuna iSundowns ingawini league. You must try by all means ukuthi uthandaza lama team adlala neSundowns ukuthi adrop iSundowns idrop ema point against le team. Ngikhani iSundowns ingayiluza le league.
In other words, mele idliwe iPirates iSundowns.
Kumele
iPirates ingalinda ama favor kwabanye abantu.
Ingalinda ama favor kwabanye abantu. If iPirates izokwazi ukudla iSundowns, kuyoba lula for iPirates ukuthi izwinele ileague because ikwazi manje phela izothembela kubo Chip. UChip uzokubuza ndoda labantu bahlule wena mina ngizoba yini.
What do you expect me to do here?
We understand. So Mr. Nkeo, mina ngicabanga ukuthi iSundowns bedeserve ukuwina le game today.
100%.
Yeah, the way baqale ngakhona but ngifuna uqala ngeqembu le Chippa United. Ucoach VV ngithanda ukumbongisa kakhulu. I think the game plan beyihle kakhulu. Yeah, omunye umuntu angathi kanjani because he lost 4-1 but if you can check the way aqale ngakhona le game team yakhe be organized discipline kuleya system bekafuna ukudlala because uqhamuka nge442 but i442 yakhe udlala nge-double right back double left back la khona sibona uthatha ama natural left right back umudise no Kemisi bayasuka noKamisi bayodlala
ama wing.
We understand then wenzela kona ukuthi bekana 2 yama attacker which is uMatros no Kwaiba. The rest bekungama defender lapha because unokonqobe uno Musele and ngiyacabanga uma ngabe ngakhuluma iqiniso mina ngizange ngibone uMsele la efieldini. Uma ngathi uyibheka
they were defending.
I agree. So it's difficult ukuthi umbone because they always defend bafuna ukuvala wonke ama space ukuthi Sundowns ingadlali. Why? Because uma umudise no Kamisi babuya bazovala lama space ukuthi Sundowns ingadlali but into ibashayayo ukudefender lama ball behind layer defense yabo so kunzima for bona because abo Rangers benza ama run what a goal man Leya Reyners Mr. Nkeu,
Yeah, it was
even
a
though
fantastic goal. It's
it's
offside, but
Mr.
it's a
Nkeu, the
fantastic
way
goal.
ngilibone ngakhona,
It's a
but
fantastic
asibheke ukuthi
build-up.
uChabeleng wenzeni.
Yeah, it's a fantastic build-up, and then
Ball
Uchabeleng, the way that he pinpointed the movement Reyners. Yes, 100% it is offside. We can't lie to people, but it was a beautiful goal. The build-up of it was beautiful.
Exactly. So kumele sibheke nangale ndlela ukuthi i-ball rotation eMamelodi Sundowns beyinjani. So iChippa beyihluleka ukuvala le space behind the defense. Ila khona sibona i-Sundowns isebenzisa lama spaces because iyabona ukuthi ku-packed. The more kubuya le abomudise bazovala lama space ayikwazi Sundowns ukubreaka. Bheka the way ibuye yazothola lela goal lesi-2 iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ithole kanjani lela kaReyners after le bhola laka Allende ibonile ukuthi asikwazi ukuthi sibreak la kulama pockets bawavalile ama pockets sekunendlela kumele that's why ngithi mina kungabadlali Sundowns ebalethile bafana nabo Nuno bazokunikeza a different dimension ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi team ayidlala low block kwenzakalala beyipaka ibus i-team efana nenelo neChippa United but ukupaka kwayo ibus ukuthi baphuma kanjani ithi ngibonge emdlali uKwayiba I think he did very well today uKwayiba the way
well done to him.
bekadlala ngakhona bekangaluza amabhola and
even the composure in the goal as well.
Yes,
I thought he
yes,
almost
yes.
messed that up, but
Yo.
he took his time and he's picked his spot. as well.
ulindo Ronwen as committed then a pick spot abeke le bhola lapha udlala ngathi is a striker nomjita lo and udlala as a 10 so ngiyacabanga the way umbheka ngakhona umdlalo ofana nokwayiwa kulama team afana neChippa United since abuyile I think manje una 5 goals kuChippa
Yes,
United
yes.
and kusho kona ukuthi uyazi une confidence kuleya team Mr. Nkeu because uyazi ukuthi iChippa idlala kanjani mina kumele ngenze kanjani
Also, Enyinto, Bob's just to that point. I agree
Yeah.
with you, Ngwayiba. I think that it helps players when they know they're going to play. Mawazi ukuthi, I'm a star at Chippa, I'm going to play. Because if you think about it, at Pirates,
Yeah.
I think I was reading that he only played maybe 80 minutes total
Yeah,
with Pirates,
totally.
something like
Yes,
that.
yes.
So he even when you play, by the time you play Uchahile because you want to impress,
Yeah.
you're in a different city. But at Chippa, he knows he's going to play. Of course, he has to deliver as well, and he's delivering. And that helps him with the confidence. He's doing well. The problem with us, Tina, the big teams, the Chiefs, the Pirates, the Sundowns, is that manje sombheka has been a temptation ukuthi let's try him again. Let's bring him back to a big team again. Gandhi, maybe that's the best environment for him.
The environment angeke ifane Mr. Nkeu nalama team yabona njengoba ngitshela ngakhona nama team awafani so ngendlela ngichazela ngakhona Mr. Nkeu kuleya team eChippa United bheka ucoach Vivi udlala ngama 15 minutes ngihlala ngitshela the most badlala ngama 15 minutes ubheke uqale wadlala ngama 15 minutes out 3 before aqale ashaye first sub uma ibuye 46 minutes uletha uFigarero uma letha uFigarero ufuna at least ukuthi athole uku-attacka because manje uyalekha kwa-attack and after lapho uma ithi 60 minutes uyazi ukuthi manje sengiselele ngama 45 ngama 15 minutes awu 2 uletha uNtsundwane uletha no Evanga uyabona ukuthi manje sekafuna uku-attacka and uma ufuna uku-attacka yila khona avula ama space kuMamelodi Sundowns yila avula khona because udlale kahle 2 goals bamkore adlala ngama defender amaningi then ubonile ukuthi okay ngcono ukuthi ngidefende ngikwazi ukuthi Sundowns ngiphuma kanjani but after lapho maba kuleader awulindi ukuthi ungaze mhlawumbe uconsider or igame iphela ngalendlela you try something engibonile ukuthi uletha at least ama attacker and ama attacker walethayo uletha ama hard worker khumbula ukuthi uNtsundwane Evanga badlala abakwazi ukubuya ba drop bazomarka uFigarero uyakwazi ukubuya azo drop amakhe Mr. Nkeu so mina ngicabanga ukuthi wenze into yabalula for yena even though kube nzima ukuthi aluze le game but
now when the owner is speaking to him in the morning, how is he going to explain 4-1?
Uzokutshela Mr. Nkeu ukuthi boss
Mfondini sityiwe.
Boss
That's going to be the response. Mfondini sityiwe.
Athi yes sityiwe. Ngize kanjani? Ngize nge defensive system. Then bangikora 2. Ngabuya ngazo attack. Babuya bazokora 2. So uyabona ukuthi bekunemibuzo babuzana yona no coach Cardoso but akwazi ukuyiphendula ucoach Cardoso. Ngithande the way ucoach Cardoso rotate le team ngakhona but asinali iqiniso ku football because if rotate le team Sundowns drop ama point we are going to question him why bekutebza ngaphandle.
I was saying that to Tso in my video with Tso I said Uhlaziyo all of us including abalandeli.
Yes.
Uhlaziyo analysis is ngathi umlingo. It's we're always going to be right. Under all circumstances we're going to have to try to say something that's right because I was asking Utso ukuthi what do you do with abadlali beBafana Bafana? They were playing 3 days ago. Do you put them on the bench and risk losing this game? Now that you won And about Debza besebenchini, Mutau ebenchini. If he lost that game, they were going to question him.
Exactly manje angeke kukhulunywe ukuthi why beka sizombiza ukuthi okay ucoach wenza umsebenzi waba right because khonile ukuwina and ubheke beka under pressure after uOpra tholi yellow card because now ufuna ukudlalisa uOpri le 90 minutes akwazi ukuthi uOpri uma ayodlala mhlambe ku CAF uzaba ngekho Opra kadlalela ama league games akhona ukubeka umdlalo ufana noLunga ukuthi azomsebenzisa because uOpri ukhumbula ukuthi une red card ku Champions League
Yes.
so ube under pressure because uOpri une yellow card and akakwazi ukuluza le 3 points and ngapha uLunga uyomdinga because uLunga no Pasading abantu kumele badlale le CAF and obvious uLunga uyoba favorite because umdlalo odlalayo
And his experience in CAF.
yeah, in CAF so ngiyacabanga ukuthi bese under pressure but ukwazile ukuthi at least abekezele ukuthi uOpri agcina pusha lama minutes apusha wona then akwazi ukumkeep so ngiyacabanga Mr Nke ukuthi uKhadoso u deserve credit man the way ngibona le team ayidlalisa ngakhona beka ukwazi ukuthi ababe patient Mr Nke webholeni bangalijaki bakwazi ukuthi okay siyal rotate even though ichip ayidlala low block but sikwazi ukuthi siyofuna ukuphuma kanjani give credit kubo Allende I think uAllende ngomunye umuntu ebengicala ukuthi uzoba iman of the match they uyadlala ngakhona but well done to uNtsiki ukuthi athole le man of the match ngibonile ukunikeza something today uNtsiki yilento engiyidingayo ukwazi ukuba ukuskena ukwazi ukuthena ukwazi ukuthi awuluze ibhola isikhathi eside Mr Nke uNtsiki akayiluze ibhola esikhathini esiningi so yilento mangabe uyi midfield ukwazi ukwenza unga waste amabhola and ubheke nama sub wakhe tawenze ngakhona uwayenze ngesikhathi esiright ucoach Khadoso Brian Leon uyafika ukhipha uReynolds uceda ukuscorela uletha uBrian that is why ngithi uma unabadlali unabagadla abafana nalapha kulula Mr Nke for wena ukuthi ungayiwini league uyazi kahle ukuthi umuntu ozobuya ebenchini ukunikeza umsebenzi lela goal elishaye uBrian Leon ungalithatha kancane Mr Nke akusibangaka abadlali abakwazi ukulikora lela bhola because beka the way ugoalkeeper afike wafuna ukuthekila ngakhona beyangekho balance uLeon but wakwazi ukuconnect ibhola lisarola akazange alitrebe lahamba la ikeva and bekungasi ibhola lokuthi mhlambe ubhekane nepala usesayidini lamuntu ku aquat angle but ukwazile ugola so give credit kulabadlali abafana nalabo ngiyacabanga ukuthi umuntu nje kulabadlali abakhona lapha kuSundowns ngimhalalisela kakhulu uMatthews at last I think kuna 5 goals naye la but hey uze wakora uMatthews uze wayipass inet Mr Nke
No, he's capable of scoring. It's just that it takes him too long. Before I let you go, I feel bad talking about this because if we're going to talk about it, we might make things worse for this player.
yeah
But it's our job to talk about it.
I couldn't
It's our job to talk about it. Ikram Reynolds,
yeah
Bafana scoring goals domestically
yeah
versus other strikers who are not scoring goals.
Mr Nke ngihlala ngigegagega ngifuna ukuthi ngibe ngendlela mhlambe ukuthi ngiyayihloniphisa uReynolds akahamba eWorld Cup
Umadala masemnyanzela ngoReynolds uzomshiya.
uzombeka
Uzomshiya.
uzofuna ukumdlalisa ngesikhathi sakhe exactly but uma ngabe uReynolds aloka score so ngiyacabanga uzochange umqondo ngikutshelile last ngathi akusibo bonke abadlali abalapha abazoya kuWorld Cup and akusibo bonke abadlali abangekho bangeke baye kuWorld Cup ngiyacabanga ukuthi manje uyabukela lama game uyabona ukuthi kunabadlali mhlawumbe acanga ukuthi as long as bangabi nama injuries lamajida ngiyacabanga uReynolds uzomlanda Mr Nke ahambe naye kuWorld Cup maybe angasinikeza something udlalile ku FIFA Club World Cup he scored against ama team aGroot abo Dortmund so ngiyacabanga ukuthi angasinikeza something uReynolds so siyamcela uMadala asimthathele umsebenzi and asimtshela ukuthi ayenzeni but the way sibona abadlali abafana nabo Reynolds bangakhona is like manje angitshela ngabadlali mhlamba abafana nabo China Reynolds yena center back efana noKekani ngiyacabanga uKekani angayisinceda kule center back uma ngabe mhlambe naye anga-eda mhlambe kule center back because ngibone nje lama game esiwadlalile ukuthi no akuzange nje sibe right sibe kamnandi lapha kule center back so ngiyacabanga Mr Nke uyayindaba kaReynolds yeah
Sayilungisa kahle ukuthi we're not telling you we're begging you.
siyamcela uMadala angabi stubborn akamanje sometimes akabone naye ukuthi mara le out here deserve ukuthi ibe khona Mr Nke
Nice one. Thank you very much, Bobzit. Hugo Broos will not be the first coach who does the opposite. I remember there was a player called Richard Henyekan who was scoring in South Africa back in the day.
Golden Arrows.
With Golden Arrows. He scored so many goals. And I think it was around the 2010 World Cup or after, whatever the time frame was. Whoever was the coach was like, okay, you're telling me about this Henyekan striker. I'm not going to pick him. And eventually he picked him, but they only gave him like 40 minutes here and there, and then he never picked him again. Free State Stars had a striker called Moeketsi Sikola. He scored 16 or 15 goals. He was a top goal scorer. Shakes Mashaba was being told about him as well. Shakes Mashaba played a qualifier, a second half, and then he played him in a friendly and he never played him again. Yes, he loved Gabuza and Lula and Tukelo Rantier, Shakes Mashaba. Those were his favorites. Right? A tall striker and a short striker was pacey. That was his model going forward. So it happens that when you tell coaches about players, eventually they rebel against the idea. So now we have to be careful how we ask foreigners. We must beg. We said time. We're not telling you to do your job. Otherwise, well done to Mamelodi Sundowns 4-1 against Chippa United. It is TV, Disco Times, World Sports Betting.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi Bafethu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Itiski TV.